How to log in into your Temu account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily log in into your Temu account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you either need to open Temu application or go to its official website. So here I have opened Google application and typed temu.com. Then after, click on the first link which will lead you to the official website of Temu. After that, below you see the option of sign in for better experience. Simply click on sign in. After that, provide your email or phone number by which you had started your account in Temu. As you can see, as I typed my email and clicked on continue, I had logged in into my Temu account using the same device. That is why I could see the option of continue with Google. After that, I chose my email and clicked on continue. And as you can see, I am logged in into my account. So that's it. That is how easily you can log in into your Temu account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.